How to create a free WordPress website 2024, free domain and free hosting. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create a free WordPress website and get a proper free hosting and domain. So it's pretty simple to do this, and I'm going to be creating a really nice looking website for you. And the websites, let me give you a general look on the website on how it's going to look. So it's going to have a pretty basic look. It's going to give you a pretty, nice and retro look, but it is basic, but it's also nice. So this is the type of website that we're going to be creating. So do keep on watching. So to start things off, we're going to first of all go ahead and get our hosting. So for our hosting, I'm going to be going with a platform called Infinity Free. Okay. Infinity Free is pretty incredible. It's free web hosting with PHP and MySQL. Okay. It gives you free hosting features and you can actually host free websites with this. And the best place to host this is obviously WordPress. So I'm going to go to register now. Now, once we come to register now, here you have your email sign up section. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with all of this. It's going to ask you to add a password and all, confirm all the basic things for yourself. And once I add this, I'm going to agree to the terms and click on sign up. Now, once you've signed up with this, do make sure to get the proper accounts and get the proper domains for yourself, because signing up for a free account is pretty, you could say, simple, and it's pretty fun to sign up with this as well, because it takes you through a whole journey on how you can access a free domain and free hosting for yourself. And that's the best part about this, because there's big providers out there like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and all, big domain names. And what they do is they take a lot of money from you for, creating domains and actual hostings. So that is something that not a lot of people enjoy. So in my case, I'm going to simply go over to gmail.com. Okay. And once we come to gmail.com, it asks us to verify our account. Now, to verify our account, I'm going to go to the email. Here we have my email. Okay, I'm going to open that up, and it definitely has sent a proper verification email over here. I'm going to open that up and click on verify email address. Now, once we've verified our email address, you can simply come over here, but it brings you to your basic dashboard. So I'm going to stay in this section. Now, once it brings you to your dashboard here, you are going to want to go ahead and create a domain for yourself. So a domain section, first of all, you are going to want to make sure to understand the basic sections over here. So first of all, you're going to create a hosting account. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to cancel that, and it brings you here. Obviously, it tells you that you can create one totally for free. So we're going to stay here, and now it gives us two options, subdomain and custom domain. So you can create any type of subdomain and create a custom domain as well. I'm going to stay on subdomain and choose any random domain name. Let's say I'm going to go with rf.gd. And I'm just going to name it john.rf.gd. Check the availability if it's actually available. Now, in the case that it's available, make sure to get it. But if it's not, you could add random numbers or, try any other domain. So once the domain is available, it gives you your account label. You can keep an account password for this as well. And once you do that, simply click on create account, and it's going to take you into the account creation. Now, once you're over here, it says your account has been created. Here's some things you need to know. It will take a few minutes for your account to be set up. It takes up to 72 hours for the new domain to be visible due to DNS caching or caching. You can obviously open the control panel as well. What the control panel will do is it will let you know that they're still setting up your account, and you're going to want to make sure to approve everything of this. So once you've gone ahead and approved all of this, you're also going to want to make sure to visit your domain. So as you can see right now, it takes us to cPanel, which is the control panel of Infinity Free, where you can actually control the settings and the working whatnots of your domain. So this is the Vista panel, where you can actually see how your domain works. You can see the FTP accounts, the subdomains, add-on domains, and a whole lot more. So in this section, you can get domains for yourself. Now, once you're here creating your domains, as you do, once the domain is done, you can add new domain names. You can add new basic stuff. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to install WordPress in this. So to install WordPress, you're going to come down here where it says software. Okay. You're going to want to find software in this section. Now, once you find software here, it says Softaculous Apps Installer. So you're going to open that up. Now, once you open that up, I'm going to wait for it to load in. And once it waits for it to load, here it's going to give you all these websites. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install WordPress because that is exactly the website we want. You're going to choose the installation URL. I'm going to go with HTTPS and click on Quick Install. Now, in the case that it says a trusted SSL certificate was not found, that's totally not an issue. You can come down here, give it an admin username. So let's say I'm going to give it an admin username right here. Once you give the admin username, you can choose the admin password. You have the admin email. And once you do that, just go ahead and click on custom install. It brings you here to the site settings. You can choose the site settings over here. And once you go over here, it gives you the blog. It gives you all the necessary things. Obviously, there's different plugin settings that you can go ahead and add for yourself. It's pretty easy to get the concept of that. So once you do that, click on install. And here it says check the submitted data. This may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. So we're just going to wait for that to load in. And obviously on the same hand, you're going to want to make sure that this section of yours is open because you can't really close this. This is where we're going to work with the actual settings. So obviously the software was installed. So this will take a few minutes because as you can see, my website here is done in my accounts, and you can see that I've added a website and its status is active. So let's say I were to go ahead, take this URL over here. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna paste it here. Obviously, it's gonna take some time to load in, and you are gonna want to make sure to go through your administrative URL. Right now, it says internal server error because obviously the server hasn't been set up. We haven't really added it into a proper WordPress place. We haven't added into a proper WordPress setup. So you're gonna add an SSL certificate in this through the actual providers. And once you do that, finally come over to your WordPress. Once you go to your WordPress, you're going to go into your domains, okay? So to add your domains, you're going to go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, there's hosting configuration. And once you come here, upgrade to the business plan, add your business domain, your hosting domain that you just got. And that's pretty much about it. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.